On number 5 we have Prin and Kimberly. This is the hottest Thai couple ever. This hottest Thai couple is going to marry in 2021 for sure, and also getting ready and planning for some lavish wedding, and they are going to tie the knot really in 2021. Their relationship has been always private, but now they have made public, and also now they are going to wed to each other and can't wait to marry and to be called as the official married couple, and making this news all over. Everyone is happy, including them, and all the fans who love them are really happy because they really look cute together. They really look perfect with each other. After that we have Nathesh and Yurasaya. They met each other on the set of the TV drama Dongjai Akeni, which was aired on a TV 8 years ago, and they felt the connection between them and become the real couple after that. And finally now this one of the hottest couple is going to be married in 2021, and this is the really hottest couple of a Thai TV, and they are going to be married privately with their private friends and a family, and they are really excited, and they give the really real couple goals who was together for the 8 years with each other. After that we have Navaj and Nalithi. This beautiful couple is planning to marry in 2021, and they never reveal their relationship to public because they don't want to make any controversy and don't want to give any headlines to anyone, and want to keep their special relationship private. But now it is reported that they both are finally want to marry and get to settle down with each other, and they are going to marry finally with each other. And the fans who really love them can't wait to see them a real couple in a married life. After that we have the Rani and Sukhulawat. The both actors met during the filming the Thai movie Fatherland, and then they feel the real connection while shooting on the set, and then they came in a relationship and are in a relationship for 5 years, and now it is reported that this beautiful pair is going to tie the knot in 2021, and also it is said that the two has been decided the wedding should be the destination wedding, so waiting for the marriage in 2021, and we give the congrats to this couple in advance. After that we have Thanapop and Kenafa. She works outside the entertainment industry. She is not in the Thai industry. She works as a flight attendant, and they are in a relationship with each other. They have been in a relationship more than 10 years, and in 2020 they celebrated their 11 years of togetherness with each other. They really give the real relationship goals, and now they are finally agreed to settle down with each other because they think that the time has been come when they are going to marry with each other, and now they really know each other in a real life and understand each other, and so they are now all set to marriage in 2021 for sure.